12-pack of reusable baking cups, made of food-grade BPA-free silicone, ideal for baking, lunch, snack cups, and more. Effortless food release, no greasing or cooking spray needed, stain and odor resistant. Freezer, microwave and oven safe, up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Cost-saving alternative to disposable paper cups, works with any standard muffin pan. Measures 3.5 centimeters high, 1.38 inches, includes 2 of each color, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Reusable baking cups. A great alternative to disposable papers, the multi-pack of reusable silicone baking cups can be used over and over for cupcakes, muffins and more. Use with pan or freestanding. The baking cups work with any standard muffin pan and, depending on the batter, they can also be used freestanding on a flat cookie sheet. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade, BPA-free silicone, the reusable liners resist stains and odors and are dishwasher, refrigerator and oven safe. No greasing needed. Top reviews from the United States. Convenient. Been meaning to pick up something like this for a while. Only used them once so far, but I am pretty happy with them. They're incredibly easy to use, and they come away from the cupcakes very well. My only gripe is they have to be individually cleaned when you first get them, but I probably did it the hard way. A large bowl of soapy water would likely do the trick, then just toss them in the dishwasher once they've cooled after use. You do have to make sure they're dry before storing them. Easy to do if your dishwasher has a dry mode. If not, I'd just stack them in a way that allows all of them to get good airflow so the inside and outside both dry. Leave them out for a bit, then wipe any excess away and you should be good to go. Just make sure there's no water lurking in the crimps. Anywho, I like them. Don't use them a lot, but so far they've been exactly what I needed.